All right, so I just wanted to quick send this out to you, Lila and Carolyn. So 605,318. So if we're rounding all three of these numbers to the hundred thousands, the first thing that I want to do is underline the hundred thousands place. The next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and draw an arrow to the next place value over to the right, because that is the number that's going to determine if we push this number up or keep it the same. So since this is a 0, which falls in the category of 4 and below, let it go, this 6 is going to stay a 6. So the rounded number becomes 600,000. If this 0 was a 5 or above, this would move up to 700,000. The 6 will never go down. It will either stay the same or go up. Now this one's a little different. Because there's no hundred thousands place, there's no value for it. It automatically becomes a 0. So we can pretend a 0 is there. So again, when we look to the right, this time we have a 5 and above number, which means we're going to give this hundreds, thousands place a shove. So the next number up above a 0 is a 1, and everything else becomes a 0. So 89,447 rounds to 100,000. Another one down here, again, I'm going to underline my hundred thousands place. I'm going to draw my arrow to the right. 4 and below, let it go. So that means that 5 stays the same and everything else becomes a 0. I hope that helps. If you need anything further, please just let me know and I will get back to you. This was good practice for me anyway.